Hi folks, Bruce Speidel with Straub's here. We're shooting a shot of our 3555 Precision Air Cart here this afternoon. We're at the State Fairgrounds in Hutchinson. I've been doing some training today. In a short order, I'm going to get one of the Case IH people on, and we're going to talk about this unit. Wanted to kind of give you a good overview here of what the new air cart looks like. This air cart has got the conveyor on it instead of the auger. We've always seen the augers on them in the past. So anyway, we'll cut off right now. We're going to come back to you in a sec and talk about some other features. Okay, folks, back again. Got Dave Long. Dave's a marketing manager. He's a head honcho out of headquarters for Case IH. No, anyway, just kidding you, Dave. Dave and I have known each other for a long time, but he was kind enough to make the trip from Illinois out here to help us out at our training session today. So we gave you the overview a second ago of what the new air carts look like. I've got something in my hand, Dave, that the guys have not seen on our air carts before. So why don't you explain what I'm holding here?
That's right. So on our new 5 Series air cart, using the same technology that we're using on our planters, electric drivers, gives us the accuracy, control that we're looking for in getting the right rate down. Because the two primary things that we're getting out of our 5 Series carts, productivity and accuracy. And accuracy driven by being able to control what we're delivering to the ground.
Okay, awesome. I tell you what, we've had a few air carts out running this summer, folks, and these meter motors have proved very reliable. Believe me, they're stout and they're lasting very well.
No, that's right, Bruce. On the 5 Series carts, we're using a 24-volt electric drive, so 24-volt, high torque. The Precision Air cart has its own electrical system on it to deliver the 24 volts. It gives us control over each and every meter module. Because the way the cart is set up in the metering system, every primary run has its own meter, has its own meter drive. So that allows us to have our Case IH AccuSection control. I can either shut off each one of these runs individually because I'm using electric motor drives, or I can have it hooked into my task controller to where it will shut on and off automatically by GPS. So it gives us a lot of control over what we're doing and be able to control our overlap. Very important, especially when we get in irregular fields and wider drills.
And it's so important today, folks, with as you all know better than us, with the cost of your seed and your fertilizer, that if you spend a little extra on a machine to get the kind of section control that can save you thousands and thousands of dollars of input costs, well worth looking into. So that's quite the contraption that you got in your hand there, Dave. Explain that thing.
Yeah, it is. So every primary run has its own meter, and we can do either single shoot or double shoot on here. So with any tank, I can hit any run, easily control each run has its own meter module that is available to be pulled out of there and easily serviced. The meter modules all utilize a meter roller, and then you have your choice of 3 different cartridges. So you can have a full width cartridge. You can insert this meter roller into a half width cartridge where this area would be blocked, or we have an extra fine cartridge where this would be blocked off, and we would expose this meter section over here. We'd use that for small rate commodities, whether it's canola, milo, micronutrients, alfalfa, those types of products. But we have all that capability out of one meter system.
I'll tell you what, this has been fantastic, folks. I mean, those of you familiar with our old Precision Air carts, or what we called the SDX air carts at one time, know, and they had the full width meter that weighed lots of pounds, and to try to put up in the machine and everything. I mean, this is technology advancing. As you just saw, this is so easy to deal with. You change out the ones you want to change out. The cartridges are color coded. We got white, we got black, and we got red. You know, depending on the size, so you make sure you put the right one in, and all the same. So, folks, again, we've been training our salesmen here today, and they know a lot more about these new air carts. If you're interested in updating your no-till drill, air drill that you may have now, if you're thinking about maybe coming up from a box drill to a no-till drill, we've got the product here for you with this new 5 Series air cart from Case IH.
And absolutely, Bruce. You know, if you're looking for more productivity, for more accuracy in your seating, the 5 Series air cart, you know, combined with our precision drills, we have a lot to offer.
Okay. Thanks for viewing us, folks.